how to create a Blue Sky account. Whether you are new to decentralized social platforms or just curious about Blue Sky, this guide will make it easy. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, make sure that the Blue Sky app is installed to your device. But if it's not installed, then simply go to the Play Store and search for Blue Sky on the search bar. After finding Blue Sky, simply tap on Install. And when the app is installed, simply open the app. Once you have opened the app, you will see this interface. And on this page, we have a sign up option, but since we don't have account, we're going to click on create account option. And this will prompt us to the page where we have to enter the email and the password for the Blue Sky account and the birth date. And after we have entered all the details right here in this page, we simply need to tap on next. Now, in this step, we need to enter our handle, and this is essentially the username which we will use for our Blue Sky account. Once you have entered the username for your user handle on this page, you simply need to tab on next. Now, on the step 3, the Blue Sky will ask us to verify that we are human. So just simply complete the puzzle or select the photos given on this page. And once you have completed the task, you simply need to tap on verify. Now the Blue Sky will ask you if you want to receive notification from this app or not. You can simply tap on don't allow. After that, they will ask you to give your profile picture. You simply need to tap on edit icon. And once you have tapped on it, you will be prompted to the gallery. From the gallery, you need to choose the photo for your profile picture. And once you have selected the profile picture, you simply need to tap on continue. And at the last step, the Blue Sky will ask for your interest. You simply need to select your interest, which will help the app and understand what content it should show to you in the home page. Once you have completed this setup, you will have your account created. Now you can tap on the Let's Go button and your account is created on the Blue Sky social application. You can start using the app, start posing and enjoy the platform and much more. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.